Hey, welcome back to my channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. Okay, so as you can see, this is the most expensive watch I ever bought. I've started a Casio watches collection last year, and because I also collect sneakers, I've set the limit for myself of about 100 euros per watch. But this was on a sale, so I had to get it. 150 euros for a 300 euros watch. Come on. And I've seen this for about 400 on some websites. So this is the Casio Edifice ECB-2000 PB-1AEF, a SICK F1 suspension-inspired carbon fiber watch. I got it a few months ago. There's nothing extra in the box, just the classic pillow and a lot of paper. And of course, I had to put a glass protector over the crystal because for some reason, Casio decided to make this model with both a sapphire crystal and a shitty crystal.
See, now that's some bullshit.
So I wanted to show this off in different lights. If you're curious, my wrist is about 8 inches and I like to wear my watches loose on the wrist because they are wrist watches, not forearm watches. I also hate when my wrist starts to sweat. And even though this is not a review, I cannot help myself, so here's a few things I don't like. I really don't get why they've made this version with no sapphire crystal.
Come on, man.
And this has another non-friendly strap style. The strap is also whack with some very small ridges on it. I literally had to wipe it every time I filmed a B-roll. I don't like the negative display, and more importantly, there's no autolight. The lume is trash on this version. And there's no symmetry inside the dial, which I find very annoying. But I love the real carbon fiber case and bezel, and you can see the forged carbon flakes in the case. This looks sick in the sun with the flat satin black carbon and the red. And I have a red strap coming very soon. And I guess also the other stuff are cool, this being solar powered, radio controlled, with a Bluetooth connectivity. Let me know what you think about this, if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.